Marcia, thank you so much. Your book is just out and we're all delighted. I'm already over halfway through it. So thank you so much for my copy and the opportunity to work with you and have the testimonial on the back. So tell us a bit about the book that's launching today, Marcia.
Yeah, so excited. I actually had a birthday party last night. We're birthing the
Wow.
book. Yeah, yeah, with a little sundae with a candle in it and everything. So
Wow.
it is
Congratulations.
exciting, after you write it and promote it to have it finally come out. Um, when they asked me to do the second edition, this is the second edition of Coach the Person, because the first one is done so well and so many coaching schools use it as text. And I'm like, okay, so what is it that I have to say? And then I sat down and like, I have a lot to say. And especially because we're so engulfed with this whole thing around AI, and is it going to take over coaching? And so this book goes much more deep into what is that human connection that we provide that AI can't replicate, because that's the only way we'll sustain our profession as coaches, as people who work one-on-one or with teams that work live. And the basic skills that we learn as coaches, um, simply those will be replicated. The when you look at just the entry level certification, because it's more about a rote, remembering to do this, to define what it is they want, what's getting in the way, what are they going to do next, that's okay. And we have to learn that. But then the next transformation is, I always say, you learn it, then you forget it, and you have to get it in your bones, and you have to trust yourself enough that providing that safe space and even a little bit of skill performance is still such a gift. And in that moment, you just have to trust that you're giving them something and you get better. That I know that when I'm with you, that it's really important that I see what you see, that I'm curious about your perception. I make no assumptions about what you see and what you consider as a challenge. I need to know your perspective about that. So I'm going to ask you questions and be curious about the words you use and really make sure we see what you see. But in order for you to trust me, I've got to bring all of my care, my genuine curiosity, my courage to the conversation before I even speak. Because that energetic exchange that then is created, that co-regulation is where my emotions regulate yours, that help you to feel that bond, the oxytocin, to have you, it stimulates the dopamine, the serotonin, that actually opens your mind and actually stimulates, generates a willingness to be coached. So we have to bring that presence and then know that I have to know how you see this. And then what is it that you truly want that's not happening now? And to stay curious because that's going to evolve. And once you fully see for yourself what you believe is the problem, and identify what could be getting in the way. And then what happens is insights emerge on how to resolve this problem. I have to trust that. So the book really goes into that energetic connection that we make. How do we co-regulate? It goes much more deeply into presence than the first edition. And then truly understanding, what do we do at the beginning of a coaching conversation instead of just charge right into it? And, what's your problem? And what have you tried? Which is just problem solving. To understand the evolving desired outcome, and not only what it looks like externally, but who am I in that picture? So the book also gets into identity coaching as well, coaching the who, as we say, what does that mean and how do you do it? So I got real excited when I realized there are things to share in this book to really help coaches go deeper in a way that will sustain our profession.
Well, there is so much I could listen to you for hours. The whole idea of reflective inquiry and coaching the person and co-regulation. It is a treasure trove of genius. Marcia, thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for my copy. And I'm looking forward to your book being another bestseller.
Yeah,
And
thank you. Well, and if
looking
they
wishing you
buy
all the
the
best.
book, they can go on my website and look for the book page, and there's a button where they can claim a bonus, a whole uh, booklet of tips from each chapter that I've created for people who purchase the book. So you just go on my website and look for Coach Second Edition, Coach the Person, Not the Problem,
Which website do you want them
uh,
to go
uh,
to, Marcia?
covisioning.com.
Okay, brilliant. Okay,
Yeah.
well, let's pause it there. And everybody, I'll see you in the bookstore. Thank you, Marshall, for writing another great book. It's
Thank
pure
you.
genius. Thank you, my friend.